Hey guys, so today I'll be showing you my top 13 products of 2013. I've categorized this by acne and spot treatments, personal care, makeup, fragrances, and other. So let's get started and I hope you enjoy. As teenagers, we all break out like almost all the time, and I just want to share my acne treatments for you first. So the first thing I used was just Proactiv because, you see those commercials cleaning off their face all slow motion, and it does make you want to buy their products. So I just used the Proactiv solution steps 1, 2, and 3. My step 2 is finished, so I only have step 1 and 3. It also came with the refining mask, which I found delightful, and you'll find this in the package together, so I probably shouldn't get too much in-depth detail about that, like you don't need to buy it separately. I also used my Clean and Clear Advantage Acne Spot Treatment. You guys saw this in my July favorites, and I love it because it's specific for that one special pimple, and we know we want that clean face because, come on, no one wants a little blam blam on the face. No one wants a problem either. So moving on to my next category, personal care. We all know that we need to take care of ourselves in the most of style that we can, and what better way to put chapstick on yourself than use baby lips. So one of my top 3 favorite baby lips that I used were just the Baby Lips Dr. Rescue, which is very useful in the winter time because your lips get super chapped and super dry. And then I also like the Baby Lips, and this one I believe is Peach Kiss, and it just fell. So moving on to the next one. This is just the other Baby Lips sunscreen, and this is Quenched, and this one comes very dandy in the summertime. So that's basically all the ones I use for personal care. What we have here is just makeup, and I'm going to tell you just the eyes and face makeup products that I have. So starting off with eyes, because you want to stay fierce in style. The first thing I have here is just my Lancome palette, and it just is the Color Focus palette for ombre, and then it just has like, it's kind of smoky natural colors. We have like browns and like a black, so I thought it was so like nice to have this during the summer because it gave me like a really good smoky eye. And then I also have like this silver like smoky kind of little tri-palette, I guess, and this is just the Baked Collection Baked to Smoke, and I definitely love to use this because, like, you know what, it gave me like a really good like silver shiny kind of smoky eye, and I just absolutely adored it. Then for my eyes, I also had my Jordana eyeliner. You guys have seen this before, and if you guys do not recall how it looks like, it is just a pencil liner. It is not like liquidy, I guess. And then if you want to see kind of a little bit how it writes, this is just how it writes, if you can see. And this is the Jordana eyeliner once again in 42 Blackest Black. And if you guys want to see this again, it was in my July favorites, I believe so. And then also for my eyes, since I showed you eyeshadow, I also have the Too Faced Shadow Insurance Anti-Crease Shadow Primer, and I absolutely love this primer. This is one of my top favorite primers, and I definitely recommend it. And then, just to top off your eye look, you always need your mascara. And the mascaras that I have are just nothing new. These are just my Maybelline The Falsies. You've seen it before. And CoverGirl Lash Blast Volume Waterproof. And I didn't personally go swimming over the summer in this mascara. I don't know, I just love it because sometimes my eyes water like really badly, like it looks like I'm going to tear up, and like usually when I just take it off, it won't smudge off my mascara, so it's like totally useful for me. But here are the reasons why I love these mascaras so much. I mean, you guys seen it so much. I think you guys will probably want to know why I'm like obsessed with these. So for the Falsies one, I like it because the brush, it's like really like separated, so when I use it, it like perfectly separates my lashes without any clumps. And then the thing with this one is that it's separated, but it's closer, so it's like it gives it a more thickness to my lashes. So as you can see here, they're closer but smaller, but it's kind of hard to see because like it's not focusing so well, but they're closer together, and I just love it, especially for my lower lashes because I do not like this one for my lower lashes. Like, I kind of wear it sometimes, but if you wear too much black on your lower lashes, I feel like it's a little bit too much, or when they stretch it out too much. I mean, I personally feel like all the volume and length and blackness should be on the top and just a little bit on the bottom to define them. So that's basically all I have for eyes, like, you know, the eye factor. And then we have face, which is basically my Revlon 24 Hours Color Stay, and my shade is just 340 Early Tan. And I love this because it's a liquid foundation, and I only have to apply very few to cover up my redness, and that's absolutely great. So that's basically all I have for makeup. Now moving on to my fragrances. Now to my fragrances, all I have are just 2 perfumes, but like one's a body mist, so I'm going to start off with that. And this is just the Sweet Pea by Bath & Body Works, and I definitely love this during the summer, because for the summer I kind of like a little bit more of like a sweeter smell, hence the idea it's Sweet Pea. And I just absolutely love this. This was a present, so it's probably one of my top favorite presents that I used throughout this year. And then, you've guys seen this before, no shocker, and this is my Miss Dior, and I love it to death. I literally don't know what I would do without it, and it looks like it's going to last me through 2014, because literally, it does not, waste so much perfume. I mean, I just spray myself once, and I'm out to go. It's amazing, and I just love it. So that's basically all of the ones I have for fragrance and mist. Last product from my top 13 products of 2013, and I didn't really categorize it anywhere because I didn't really have many hair products. I only just have one that I absolutely love, and it's just my John Frieda Full Repair Touch-Up Flyaway Tamer, and I'm pretty sure you guys can guess because you've guys seen this before, and I love it. And most of you think I'm nuts because when people see me putting it on, people think, why is she putting mascara on her head? But nope. It is actually meant for your hair. I mean, duh, why do you think I'm over here touching up my flyaways? You think I'm crazy? No. Well, this is basically a unique product because you definitely don't see girls putting a mascara brush on their hair to touch up their flyaways. So this is, once again, my John Frieda Full Repair Touch-Up Flyaway Tamer. An end to my video. I hope you guys enjoyed this, and I hope you guys had a great 2013, and I hope you all have a great 2014, and I hope to see you guys soon. So I'll talk to you guys later. Bye!